Favorite green season, of course. Add it there. Then I'm going to add some water. Because we want enough gravy. And we don't add ketchup to our oxtail. No, ma'am. No, sir. You're getting the real deal. So we're going to let this simmer down and thicken up naturally. I'll add the beans. So once this is okay, there we go. Now we're going to season up the pot a little bit more seasoning. And you know I'm using my favorite seasoning. Then we're going to add our raw beans. Use one can. Now this will help to thicken the gravy. Okay, cover them up and then we'll come right back to it.